Laredo is the main point of connection to Mexico. According to the Mexican Council on Foreign Relations, Laredo is the route for Mexican exports amounting to $300 billion, with destination to the United States and Canada. The Laredo International Airport is a doorway for air freight within the USMCA. Around 14,000 trucks travel daily on the Monterrey Nuevo Laredo Highway. This is why being present is important. 840 Hallmark Drive, Laredo, Texas. Our location is strategic, less than 5 minutes away from the highway that connects the U.S. with Mexico. This makes our facilities one of the most dynamic distribution centers and one of the best equipped for global trading. This includes 29 docking positions, 60 trailer parking spaces, 100,000 square feet capacity, 10,000 square feet of refrigerated area, storage ready to receive and manipulate hazardous material. Our certifications are Bonded Warehouse, ISO 9001:2015, CTPAT, IATA, and Hazmat. The certifications allow us to ensure the quality and guarantee of our services. And all of this while keeping in mind that safety is a matter of great importance. Fire control, automated sprinkler system, motion sensor lights, insulated roof, security industrial fence with guardhouse, CCTV. Why is Laredo a strategic location?
Because unites the two most industrialized and commercial cities in Mexico and USA. Also is the #1 port in Latin America and one of the most important around the world. And not just because it's one of the largest on the daily cargo, it's also because the infrastructure.
In addition, it is important to guarantee that the process of storage and distribution goes quickly and smoothly. Receiving, document entry, label printing, inspection, data input, special instructions, shipping order, loading, and shipping. And Laredo is only one of more points of connection with the global market.